In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy a Google Drive link and embed it into your Notion workspace. This process is super handy for organizing and sharing your documents within Notion, allowing you to keep all your important files accessible in one place while taking advantage of Notion's powerful organizational tools. To kick things off, let's start by opening your Google Drive. Once you're there, navigate to the file you wish to share. This could be any document, spreadsheet, or presentation that you find is crucial for your projects, meetings, or collaborative efforts. Once you've located the file, the next step involves a simple right-click on it where you'll see an option labeled Get Link. Click on that and the dialog box will pop up. At this point, it's essential to review the permissions associated with the link. Pay attention to whether it's set to viewer or editor depending on what level of access you want others to have. These permissions are crucial because they determine how others can interact with your file. If you want your team or collaborators just to view the document, set it to viewer. However, if you're working on something where input and edits are needed, switch it to editor. Self-awareness about whom you're sharing with is key in ensuring your documents are both accessible and secure. Now that we've got the link, it's time to shift our focus over to Notion. Open up your Notion page where you plan to embed the Google Drive file. Notion, as you know, is a versatile tool that offers a plethora of features to help you organize your tasks and notes, and embedding files can enhance this functionality. Once you're in Notion, find the spot where you'd like to place your Google Drive file. It could be on a page or within a specific section that you've dedicated to related materials. Click on the page to make sure you're ready to paste the link. Paste the Google Drive link right where you want it in the workspace. After pasting, Notion will provide you with a couple of options on how to display the link, embed or create bookmarks. Here's a little guidance on choosing between the two. Selecting embed allows a small preview of the file to appear on your page, which helps in easy identification and quick access. On the other hand, if you select create bookmark, it results in a more compact display that includes a thumbnail, title, and link, perfect for neatness and quick glance information. With those quick and simple steps, the file will now appear neatly organized inside Notion with a handy preview or bookmark, adding to your customized and efficient workspace. This setup not only keeps your workflow smooth and collaborative, but also ensures that you have all vital materials at your fingertips, ready to be accessed anytime. So go ahead and try this out with other documents in your Google Drive to keep your Notion workspace versatile and aligned with your productivity goals.